Hi, I'm Leanne Carey.
And I'm Claire Carey.
And so we are here working on a beginning intermediate cross-step waltz class. This is week 3, and we're going to cover the things that we did in week 2 and in week 3. As always, we review the basic, where we step through, across, down line, through, across, and down line. We also reviewed side to side, where I pass my partner across, step, step, across. This is the first step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We talked about how leads are really traveling down line of dance. Follows are really making sure to keep our chests facing our leads. No matter where they go, I'm trying to make sure that we're lined up so that even when she changes direction, I'm really mobile. But then we add in the fact that when she does take me, I'm going shoop and settling into each side so she feels really connected to me and like we can move together.
I also want to pay attention to orientation. We did some moves that are facing down line, side to side, for example. Swing out, face down line. And then
there's
moves
also ones
where I face the outside and Claire faces the inside, and we're working down the tracks.
in home position.
Right, so if we're doing side to side, we want to go off to a swing out. Then here I have my arms open, and I'm going to slide my hand down underneath her arm.
I'm going to get connection out.
Give a little pressure there. I can send her away, step, step. She creates connection. I head toward her just a little bit.
We drop those hands.
If she didn't give me any connection, I might even have to settle back. And then I'm going to drop this hand here. And if I'm going back to basic, I would come here.
So we're doing side to side.
Side to side.
She's going to slide down and take my hand. She's going to give me a swing out, and we're going to go back to side with that swing out. Yeah, so she's continuing to face on line. She's going to do it again, but then this time she's going to turn her body to the outside. Whoop! There we go, and then we're ready for our basic.
Okay.
Say yeah, ha, ha.
We also talked about how important it is in dance to keep all of our bodies sort of up. Kind of solidified, arms up. That's right, it really helps. Then we reviewed a tuck and turn. This is one of those ones where I'm going to be facing out of hall, Claire's going to be facing in. We stay on those railroad tracks. If I start from a basic, I'm going to need to open her up a little bit at the end of the basic. It looks like this. I'm just going to slide right here.
And we basic.
There's the open up.
She
I'm going
opens.
to tuck. I'm going to travel down line. And she does a turn where she travels, turns, and travels.
We talked to leads about really going stepping down line and really making that step linear and telling the follow where we are going, because I love that. I appreciate that. She really steps down line. I do my lovely travel, turn, Sinead turn. I open, I close, and I open. And that makes me ready and pick up a bowl for whatever's next.
That's right. And she also keeps a nice fingertip connection so that when I get done with that travel, she does her travel, turn, travel, I can reconnect with her,
Pick me up.
and open the partnership up to get back to basics.
So comfy, so smooth. And down line, I open up, and we just settle on in. Then we did our just one of the most classic, lovely cross-step moves that we still love, even after doing it a billion times. Looks like this.
Wing lock under.
Leads go under. Hands go back. Inside turn. And back to close.
Right, notice on the end, if I was planning on going back to a basic, I need to face the outside. So, as I start this, I'm going to take my hand, and I'm going to switch it so I can look at my watch and check the time. So I'm going to walk under, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to drop the hands back, 4, 5, 6.
We talked about how that was a whole body process, not just the arm.
I'm facing her.
I travel, then I turn.
And now she's got a little outward pressure. She's tucked in here. I'm going to turn, face the outside,
Back to close.
and off we go.
Yeah.
And I think that's what we did. Next week, free spins and rollaways. Well done, you all.
Awesome. Thank you guys.